All right. Good morning and welcome to this streaming about live coding. This is my job as a freelancer and working. I'm doing client work, and this client's repository is public, is open source, so there's nothing to hide here, except maybe the emails and the messages in the messaging app we use. That I should not. Everything that is private, I will not show, but everything else, which is conversations in GitHub, the code, and my changes to the code, all of that is public. So there's no problem in sharing that. So I'm gonna start the day by checking the tasks that I have. I keep some nodes in a VS Code repo. In a repo, it's not VS Code repo is not a thing. The repo that I open with VS Code. My voice is rough today. Been sick the last days and I've been coughing a little bit. So I should have some tasks. Well, I don't. I know what I was doing. I'm working on this issue, which by the way has a pull request already. Issues. This has a pull request, so I'm gonna copy this pull and put it here instead of the branch name, like this. Okay, this is a pull request and a ticket number, which I always include in the branch name. So it's a way for me to find the branch name. Okay, so the next thing is I'm gonna deploy the project. Which is, it may be deployed already, actually. Hold on. It is deployed, of course, and here I need to log in as the whole thing may be intact from the last time I touched it. Yeah, it is. And what is going on here? Do I have to? I have to rebuild. I'm gonna have Chakidar. Oh, I remember now that I need to do something else. Oh, I am in the wrong. I am in the wrong branch. Not here. I don't even have the repo open. Where is it? In the wrong branch. I need to go to this branch. No, not this one. Actually, this one. 1697. I go here and refresh. It's not gonna be. Go to any view component, save. It's gonna rebuild. So if I refresh this, there you go. I have this thing, which is, I think it looks better. Looks more branded. The color is closer to this one. And this is not a success panel. This is just a panel, tips panel. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna I'm gonna do this later. Okay. Even inputs don't have labels, and so they cause customize widget styles with brand colors. Refers to this one. So can I? Let's see what the API docs say about customizing the API, customizing the styles. Okay, wait a second. Yes. There's something else I wanted to do. There's something else I needed to do, which I need to check my emails now. Let's see. I'm not sleeping very well the last days. Because I've been a bit sick. Okay, so there is a comment here that I should review. Foo workflow is driven by the state machine, represented by the possible values and transition of the upload status property of the dataset object. Yeah. Well, the state is data pending, current name will be renamed to data preparation, but it doesn't change the essence of what I'm getting at. Getting to the particular state after the user has already uploaded some files, added some metadata, and made them available to the curators. By the curators notice more work need to be done by the authors. I suggest that when the status is user uploading that the author is shown the file uploader. When the status is data pending or soon data, the author is shown the metadata editor. Okay. The implementation of the logic of showing file upload or metadata based on upload status. Backend work only? Okay. Is it? Okay, well, I trust it. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, I think it's backend work because it's related. If I'm not mistaken, this is related to the controller that controls that specific page. And the page, like, yeah, when I say page, I mean this given path has a controller associated to it that controls the actions related to the page and some other things. For example, what layout is used and things like that. Also controls if this page had a form and the form sent a post request, the controller would determine what happens, how to handle that post request. So this also gets data from the database, which the data from the database is these files uploaded and the metadata and the attributes and so on. This comes from the database, so that must be handled by the controller. So that's why it says it's backend work only, and that I think I understand why this is the case. The only related frontend work would be adjust the breadcrumbs in file uploader and metadata editor, so that it doesn't matter which one shown first. Activity of replacing and deleting files, this can be triggered in the metadata editor because the file uploader is a dump, fire and forget file uploader and is not meant to manage files on the target destination. The description of this ticket seems to suggest that each row of the metadata editor should have two additional buttons. Order font awesome Yeah, replace and delete. This is not what I understood. Or you, okay. I thought this was meant to be replace and delete files, not metadata. Delete button will send a message. The beanstalked message queue. What is this thing? What is this thing? Beanstalked. Simple fast work queue. Okay. Queue means first coming, first leaving, as opposed to a stack, which is last coming, first leaving. It's queue. Imagine a queue of people queuing for an appointment to the bank, for example. Its interface is generic, but it was originally designed for reducing the latency of page views in high-volume web applications by running time-consuming tasks asynchronously. And now it's used send a delete action to the queue. A delete action is queued, and when it can run, it runs asynchronously, of course, by a worker in PHP that will delete the file. Okay. Placing the delete button and making sure it Ajax calls a specific backend URL is the only front-end work. Backend work is very similar to that done for full app backend models. In addition to a G action to receive buttons, yes. The replace button would be more complicated because it seems connecting a dump file uploader and the storage and have a front-end backend front-end communication flow. Somehow after successful deletion, which can take some time if it's the big file, as the file metadata need to be passed onto API component. File metadata need to be passed onto API component on the file upload screen, and the author to be switched onto the file. This is without implementing. For now, if a file needs to be replaced, authors can delete it first and then switch to the file uploader to upload the file again. Yes, that makes sense. We could make the replace button to only make Ajax to deletion action and then switch the user the file uploader screen, but if they start to upload immediately and the previous file has not been fully removed, they might end up with corrupted file. We really don't want that. Yes, okay. The original ticket was when the author visits a file upload tool to make updates to the files, they need to be shown the current list of files, not the empty box where they can add files. Okay, now I understand, because here, okay, so forgive me for this, but if what I'm gonna say is correct, the explanation of this ticket is loose, very generic, loose. It lacks information. It lacks important information. We want to enable the user to upload files, but if the status is data pending, we don't want to enable the user to upload anymore. But they can upload more files because they cannot upload more files. They only can delete the existing files and replace them. But as mentioned here, the replace functionality is not trivial. Suggested not to implement the replace directly, but rather user deletes file and then they can upload another file. But like Unless we limit the no, that's not gonna. There is no difference between these and leaving things what they are now. The ability to upload more files. There is no difference. So yeah, okay, so we have what we have. We can, it's possible to delete files already, because I didn't go to the next step now, but it's possible. I will need to check it. I have to make a note about that. But basically, what I want is task. Let's add the task here to the bottom, I guess. In data pending status, and cross check if it's possible to access upload files. And why do I want to check that? Because, well, that's the second stage we are talking about here. The first stage is the file upload, the initial file upload, and the second stage is after the editor has requested a change in the files by the author. Then that's the data pending status. And then the author, I want to check what can the author do there. If they can upload the files, they can access that screen, and what they can do. Because that's the second part of the flow. From what I'm reading, in that second part of the flow, the user ideally should be able to delete existing files and replace existing files, and also be able to change the metadata of each file. But I think the idea is not that they can just run the workflow all the same way that was before. So, for example, they wouldn't be able to add more files, just replace the existing ones, because maybe there is some mistake in a file, so they would replace one file with the same file with the mistake fixed, or directly delete files. Apparently they can delete and replace but not add. That's what I understand. So I want to check if the flow is the same or not. That's related to 1619. Okay, and there was something else. Yeah, let's see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, let's see. Let's get it out of the way. Here we have, okay, no changes. So I'm gonna go here to this branch. Sorry for the, I'm still recovering a little bit from being sick. So we have this thing over here. You have a README. In the view folder, which is, what is it? Let's go to the view, to any view file, and open. I guess it's here. Re No, this is not. I don't want this title. Hmm. View files, and 1, 2. Yeah, that's. If you're reviewing a feature which implements changes in Hmm? Fit. Hmm, add more specific dev and reviewer flow. View read. Yeah. Yeah, let's go with this. I need to there were lots of changes in develop, so I think I'm better gonna do gonna go to Giga. Then I'm gonna what's mm, mm, I have my cheat sheet here, which contains a bunch of useful stuff, and one of the stuff is um where are you? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Run these commands. Git fetch. Git fetch. Check out develop. it's up to date. Yeah, so if it's up to date, then I don't need to run. I just need to run merge develop. Hello? No, I changed to develop. Feature git merge develop. Now it's gonna request me to fix some merge conflicts. Yes, I click here. So this comes first. Accept combination, current first. Yes, correct. Complete merge, and then I'm gonna edit this thing because it has an extra line which doesn't need to be here. A lot of changes here. Sure, merge run develop into feature la la la. Yeah, that should be pretty much okay. Sync changes 666. That's the number of the beast. You know what? You know what? Let him who hath understanding reckon the number of the beast. For it is a human number. Its number is 666. Left alone. Okay, this is done. Yep. And I actually have to set up the next branch to review. So I'm gonna go here. 676, which is this is it's almost done. Almost done. The next one is this one actually. Yeah, it should be okay. Hold on. Here. How can I have a ternary like? Okay. Created PR. Ready for review. Merged. So merge is gonna be this, obviously. Here, maybe this. Okay, this is one option. This is another option. I like the dots, to be honest. Okay. Okay, now I can continue with previous task, which was right here. I'm not gonna continue listening to Iron Maiden because it's distracting. I find it distracting. What is it? Clapping on slow-mos? Clapping on slow-mo steams? Krusseldorf. What is this? Look at this image. Krusseldorf. Let's you should not even be listening to the music. Right, you aren't. Hola, Luis André. What programming language do I recommend? Learn some HTML, PHP, CSS, so JavaScript is missing. Well, that depends on what kind of projects you want to work in. You definitely need JavaScript. Yes. If you are learning HTML, CSS, that means you are doing front end. So can't go far without JavaScript. Do you need JavaScript no matter what you do? Not really. Not really. You could do some things even if you don't know JavaScript. You could, for example, I think you could do WordPress websites, like templates for. You could do templates for design purpose, styling. You could take a design which is not which doesn't have fancy stuff like fancy animations, and convert it to code with just HTML and CSS. So you could do some projects with only HTML, CSS, and maybe you should just for practicing. But Yeah, I would learn JavaScript. I was you, because that's gonna open up many more possibilities for you. Hi, Ajit from India. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. So what I was, yeah, I wanted to change the API styles. Is there something here like, what about styling, style? CSS. Examples? No, this is how to customize API styles. Maybe I have something here. Customize. Okay, maybe here. What I end doing is actually copying out the CSS and God, and removed all the. Oh no! Wait, what? Clean up the CSS a bit too, since I like the nesting. Oh no, they have important everywhere. No, not please, no. Sign since and use beautiful tools CSS to less converter. Okay. So clean up the CSS a bit. I'm using TypeScript, import the base styles, and create my custom styles overriding only what I needed. I did that for each file for blah blah blah. Thanks, could be great. The leaf remove this important. Ah ha ha ha. This all libraries using this important thingy. Ah, but this doesn't have important. This is a button. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's try to change this color, okay? Let's try to change this color. So we're gonna go to data. I can just go faster by looking at the data file uploader. Inside of this thing, we have um, the API drag and drop area, and we have styles, which I'm gonna put here, scoped, but style scoped, copy, whatever. Try this thing. Did it change anything? Yeah, it changed something. So this works. Now, what I actually want is this style, API dashboard browse, to change this thing. The button doesn't need this pointer thingy. I'm gonna do this. Color. Color is gonna be pink, for example. And of course, this doesn't do anything, because this is a scope to this component. That's what I'm doing here. Wait a second. What I'm doing here, I was gonna say it's another component, but I don't think it is, actually. It is not another component, it's just it's not a view component. So okay, so let's actually grab this. Let's go to the less current modules file uploader.less. Throw this in color pink, and then let's import this one in the current. Add imports current modules, no, file uploader, and refresh. Still doesn't work because shouldn't it just work? Background text text transform uppercase. What about this? Let's put it here. Why does it underline this thing? Ink? Wait, what? Ah. So first of all, is it rebuilding? This is running. Okay. I save this thing. This is running for sure. And then we have the less files. I save this. This is also running. Okay, so this works. But what I see is that apparently, if I add this class here, literally the same. Let's copy it to make sure it's the same thing. Get rid of this also. Let's save this, and then we change the color to like red. Let's remove this thing. Let's take a look again at this. It's not affected. Shouldn't it be affected? Oh, it does show up here. It's way down, which means it has a low priority. And the reason it has low priority is because the API CSS is loaded first, I imagine, and it has the same thing. It has the same thing. It's it's loaded second, so it's overwriting the class. So what I actually want to do is load customization to the API after the API. Which is a pain. But it should also be. Let's do some stuff here. So let's create a new file. New file relative to project root. API.less. Hello. What is that? Let's do this, and that's it. Let's do this, and let's remove this from the current thingy. And what about this? What if I remove the scope here for a second? Oh, so this works. If I put it there, I remove the scope. So there is another technique which was, I don't remember. It's basically to apply style to the children. If I remove the scope, it's gonna work, obviously. I can also remove this test. I can also scope it to be inside of this. But then this is not good. Style type lang. Yes, how about this? Does it work still? It does not work. Oh, because I'm using the scope again. Well, now it doesn't work at all. Yeah, everything is broken. How does it work? View to style. Class binding, blah blah blah. Let's see. No, hold on. Template syntax. No, it's not the template. It's view instance, I guess. Not here. Maybe introduction. View instance, template syntax. It's gotta be here. Styles. Style. Okay, no, then maybe here. Style. Here maybe. Okay. Where even is this thing? Oh, it should be here. But I want to see how to specify the type of style. Lang, it's lang. So this doesn't work. Okay. Okay, let's keep this here. Let's get rid of this. And then we're gonna go to the layout, uploader layout, correct? And then should be an API CSS, yes, correct. And here we're gonna do something similar to this, basically. Let's call it API. And this should honestly work, I think. What is the here? This does not work. Shouldn't it work? Shouldn't this be automatically compiled to API thingy? I save this API file. Yes, this run. Change less API side. Okay, hold on. There's something missing here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Work again. Less level. Okay, yeah, there you go. Now it should work. It doesn't work. There's no way. So this thing is in the API. Then it's in the layout. It's being loaded afterwards. Is this thing correct? Current.css. Hold on. There should be a current CSS. Oh, but this is inside. This is not locally. This is inside the Docker container. If I look at the Docker container, which is Docker compose run less. Is there a less container? No, I'm not sure. Application, maybe. I think it's in var. Nope, not here. Oh, var ww. ww css is a current. There is an API. Can I see the file? It has this. So this is correctly built. And if I go to the project, then I see in the head, I should see a CSS API. After the API thingy. So that still means that it has higher specificity. Maybe I should just copy this thing. Just go here. Let's take a look at the file. Oh, cannot access denied. Okay. Well, I can download it from somewhere for sure. Can I? With sources, CSS, I have this file. Then we should have here. I should have API. API means that is actually here is the file. So if I take a look at the API CSS, I look for this class in the other API file. It's here in the root, just in the root, and it's loaded. This is loaded first, and the other one is loaded second. Yeah, so honestly I'm not understanding what is happening now, because this is loaded. Obviously, both are loaded, still C, but this has priority for some reason. So, okay. Guess there are two classes named the same. One loads first, the other one loads second. Right? I mean, yes, you can. Wait. Link href rel style sheet type CSS type. Why it doesn't have type CSS? Does it need this? That's a difference I see, but so I think this style should be at the bottom, maybe. But I don't understand. Let's ask ChatGPT, okay? Let's ask. I have this, let's put this thing, loading these two styles. Let's see what ChatGPT says. I mean, sometimes it has some good answer. I am loading the following two CSS files. The file CSS contains a class. Both files contain the same class, and the API CSS file is meant to override the styles of this API CSS file, or at least that. Okay, that is why I put the API file after last, but in the front end I can see applied the styles of the API this file. Why happening if I doesn't the loading order side the head matter? No, this is not the problem. Browser catching. I have disabled catch, and I'm also hard refreshing. Errors, that could be a syntax error in app that prevents no. None of the possible causes that you pointed are the actual cause. In the DevTools I can see this. First, from the api.css file, um, huh? Wait, what? Hold on. What? Huh? Wait a second. What is going on? This is so bad. So this is not. Oh my god. Are you serious? So after this first we have this API, and we have this API, and then we have title of the page. Then we have a bunch of styles being applied. And one of the styles is. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, I know. Okay. I can actually. Okay, no, I get. I know what is happening. This comes from here. This comes from here. And then this is not being. I don't even need this thing, I think. I don't think I need these two things. I don't need those things. Also, I don't need this thing, I think. Any of these. Why do we have? So I don't need these scripts. And I guess um this is loaded in the view. Um, so in any case, can I do something very dumb? Can I just do? Can I do? Can I do this? What happens if I do this? Does it break? It does break. Doesn't know what to do. So here we are importing this at API core blah 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 because it's from the dependencies. And in here, yeah, no, this is not good. This is not. It's gonna work. Style. I actually have to grab this thing again. This is gonna work. These are global styles again, anyway. So I'm going to press this. Well, now this works. Can also do this. and import it here. We have this global import view, import. I don't like these imports and mix with these statements here. Import global CSS. Will this work? I'm not sure if this will work, to be honest. Now I actually have to rebuild this view project. I want to check what's the best way. I mean, if I'm applying global styles, I may as well put them in a global file. This doesn't work. Module, this loader, blah blah blah, unknown syntax error. Okay. I don't really want to mess up with the webpack config. It should, but this is a bit out of the view. So apply to both plain CSS file and style blocks in view. Test CSS. Use view style loader, CSS loader. And what is the problem with this? Can I, instead of loading from here, can I load it here? What happens if I do this? Import this. Well, this works, but it's not doing anything with the styles. It's not working. It doesn't like it. It's breaking again, actually. Let's try the other option, which is style scoped. Let's remove this global thingy, and let's grab this thing and put it here. And of course, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. But there was this view thing. Let's see, how can I find this? View, apply scope styles to nested component. Probably here. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. Nested component. Oh, there. This is the deep. This is the deep thing. Least deep. That's what's this deep. I go here, then I should find it deep. So bad that this is not documented. View deep selector. Scope CSS deep. Here I have the variations, and we have this, which I don't like. View 2.7, view 3, and view. Okay, there you go. Deep. Slotted. Globe. Oh. Oh, okay, interesting. V2, use deep or be deep. With view with SAS. Use this without. Let's try. Let's try. Put this thing here. I think I'm missing one. Yes, it's two. And wrap this thing up, and let's see what happens. Yeah, this doesn't work because okay. What about this? This works. This works. Does this work? Should work. Yes, it does work. Let's try something else, something really dumb. This is gonna be diff hello. Then I should see a hello, but I don't on the top. Or yeah, let's put it. It's working because I don't see the style applied here as I would expect. Oh wait, why is it blue? What happened here? Oh yeah, okay, that makes perfect. That makes sense. That makes sense. However, do I care? Do I care? Scope this because I don't care. I actually want these styles to be global. And the reason why I want them to be global, it doesn't really matter. But the reason why I want them to be global is that these styles over here, they applied globally. They're not scoped to this component. So if I'm overriding these global styles, then these overrides may as well be global too. It may as well be global. Does it matter? In practice, no, it doesn't matter. Practice, it doesn't matter. Now, what would be nice if I can use lang less here. Style, scope, lang less. Maybe the order is not correct. If I do this, now the thing is gonna break. So I'm gonna do something else, you know? I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna webpack. I'm gonna actually Google for this. Webpack less loader, yes. View loader, CSS use view style loader. This will apply to block CSS file and style blocks in view files. Maybe here it's documented how to apply less. In a view project, that in a view widget embedded in a larger in a view project, I want to add to the HTML wrapper, a CSS file, and make sure it loads. It loads after the styles coming from view. How can I do that? If I add CSS to the header, it always loads before view styles. Help. Well, one obvious solution would be to add the styles to the bottom. Oh, okay. Dang, no, I don't want to do that. Maybe I could. It's an obvious solution. This is my webpack config for the view widget. Help me update it so that I can use less within a style tag. View less. Okay, let's try this for sure. Tell me the same. Save less loader. CD giga put this thing here. Huh? Sorry, what happened here? MVM use. There is an incompatibility. Could not resolving less loader for Webpack 4. What is going on here? Less loader Webpack 4. Wait, I think we have two dependencies, less loader and less. npm install less. This is fine, and this breaks. The problem, what version of less? Conflicting, backup 5 per option 5. How to find out? How do I find out what? How do I find out what version of is compatible with Webpack 4. Huh? How do I find out that? Easily. I can, of course, go to the look at the less loaded versions and figure out. But is there like a very quick way to do it with a command line or something like that? Huh? Okay. Hmm. Yeah, but I don't trust this thing. This is not this. This is just a readme. Webpack 4, 5, semver calculator. See what this thing is. Loadage. Um, less loader. How? Okay. Semver. Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah. So what I want to check is the last, whatever version, 12, 2, blah blah blah. What is this supposed to do? Loadash? Enter upload. Oh, I see. What does it do? I don't. Testing Semver ranges against a package. I see. I see. I understand. Um, I guess I just look at the docs of this um package. Should be an easy way to find out, I guess. So this thing says that the last version is 7. Version, we can check version 8. What version of Webpack it's using? 5. And if we check version 7.3, then it's using Webpack. Oh, that's actually correct. Okay, version 7. Okay, so this is correct. This is actually correct. Okay, now if I go to here, yes. Huh? That's it. That's it. Nothing else. Well, let's try. Let's check. And now this is not enough. I need to update the webpack file. Here it told me the right solution, so test view, test CSS, test. Basically asking me to add this. Yeah, I actually need to add the next loader. I definitely need to add this thing. Let's cross check this thing. So it's asking me to do to install these dependencies, which I already did. Import the corresponding file types or use them in the view files. Are you sure? Want to import files, post CSS, CSS mod. In the view config we have some stuff here. Let's see. I guess I need to add this thing. Yeah, I think I need to add this in webpack config. I need to add this. Let's keep it consistent. Pretty sure I need to add this thing. Let's just now rebuild. Oh, I also need to install r install. Let's look for this one. Yes. Oh yeah, but not here. We're in the right place. Yes. And run this command. Huh? Might need an additional loader. Copy. Help. Let's try this thing. Hold on. It's telling me to do this. Let's just do this. Just telling me to do this. Let's rerun this thing. Yeah, nope. But I think now it's managing to figure this out. It's just not recognizing this because I need to use the other things. Need to do deep and try again, please. It works now. It worked. Look at this. Have it set up correctly. Now can I oh, this, wait, this is not good. This is not good because how do I make use of less here now? Oh, I don't need, see, I don't need to wrap it. Oh, this is completely wrong. This is completely wrong. It should also kind of work, apparently. Yes, this still works. Okay, so what I don't understand here is this for state hover border bottom. Bottom 1 pixel solid whatever. What am I missing here? I have this stuff here, then this API dashboard. Oh, it's different. Wait, it's so different. This is so different. Focus, and then this is API dashboard browse. Oh no, hold on. Hover, and we yeah, I'm so confused here. Wasn't it different? API dashboard and API dashboard focus and browse. Okay, hover, and get rid of this, and this does not good. Okay, yeah, this works. Focus states and hover states should not be the same, but it's whatever. And now it would be really cool if I could use these variables. It would be so good if I can use these variables. Can I just import this file? Import copy relative path. It'd be crazy if I can import this thing. It's so cool. Can I do this? To do this thing, okay. I'm pretty sure this is gonna break. Yeah, this thing breaks. Let's check the CS. What is going on? This should no longer break. My computer is ready to fly. Okay, there you go. Let's check at the HTML. See how. Well, actually, let's check sources, current. Go to the very top, and then gotta have some. Yeah. Variables are parsed, so I cannot really use this. We have this thing, which I'm gonna get rid of this API file. I'm gonna get rid of the, let's go to the layout. Let's get rid of this. Well, let's actually go here, which is easier. Let's get rid of this API file. That's global. Let's get rid of it. We have this, which we keep this, get rid of this, the uploader, we have this, which we get rid of it. We have this, which is okay because we actually don't need all this stuff. No, actually keep it. Okay. Yeah. And okay, and the last thing would be use the brand color here. This is actually the link color. This color. Then it's safe. Then we should magically see, yes, how this changed to the corporate color, which is what we want. Perfect. This is much better. So let's do something dumb. Put this thing here. This should still work. Let's leave a space here for neat stuff, neat purposes. Okay, so let's commit this thing. Hold on, wait a second. I think maybe here we have this, then we have remove this thing. Use a style load for non-view files. Let's get rid of this. Do I need all this thing? Do I need this CSS thingy? Problem is that I need to test. I need to rebuild this whole thing every time. Yes, I need that. I need this. And I probably need this too. Oh, it's already telling me. I definitely need that. Oh, what? Okay. Yeah, I need that. I need all of them. Yes. I need all of them. Okay. And so we're gonna fit enable using less styles in view files and override and set up Dropbox, not Dropbox, let's not call it Dropbox, API styles overrides. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna order some food. I'm hungry. It's time to like have a break, have breakfast, something like that. So I'm gonna mute. I'm not gonna stop the streaming because I don't plan to stay off for so long. So I'm gonna mute and see you later. All right, let's continue. I order some food and some, yeah, I order some food and they will come in like 20 minutes. So now I can actually override the styles of all this stuff. Let's input something here. We have this cancel, add more, upload file. So I'm gonna make the colors. Yes, put it here. Color, yep, makes sense. Redo this every time, which is kind of annoying. Just not showing up. Shouldn't this be showing up? Am I even? Oh wait, no configuration file. Sure. Am I even rebuilding this thing? I have this watch here. If I click save here, then I should definitely be rebuilding this without errors. Yes, without errors. So I would definitely expect to see this here after I refresh the page, but it's not. But it's the same selector. Literally, it's the same selector. It is the same selector. What could happen, I guess? Oh yeah, no, it works. What happened there, man? We'll do the same for this one. For the button, and for this, just this selector. This is pretty easy to do. Add more, and then the other button. Button is the this button, which should be color happy. Dashboard content. Add more. The same. Oh, it's this whole thing. Yes, okay. Perfect. And just save this thing. And now this button, I want to make it adopt the same. Hold on, what is that? What is it? My orders. Oh, my orders arrived. Need to pick it up. All right, I'm back. Hi, Xos. Thank you for your comment. I appreciate that. I'm very grateful that you hang out here from time to time. I mean, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just recording while I'm working. Um, I appreciate that someone finds this type of content likable. So thank you. Okay, I want to update this color, this button. So I see two things here. I see the hover styles. Wait, button, waiting, API status bar action, upload. Yeah, okay, so one is the hover and the other one is not hover. But I am not hovering now, so why is this hover being applied? Well, because there are more things here. This is the is waiting thing. And here we have API status bar, which is here. Ah, is waiting, I see. Uh, let's just it's a different color, this one, by the way. Okay, let's pick this up and let's put it here, and then we apply this the same. Oh no, it's a background color. Wow, this thing knows. There you go. And then let's pick the same styles as this button. Why not, to be consistent, which is it's basically this: font weight bold and color white. Font weight bold, color white. Mr. White. I'm gonna refresh this thing to see that everything is applied. Okay, see this thing here, but not here yet. Does it need to still rebuild? Did it finish rebuilding the stuff? It's annoying that I need to click on this thing every time. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's on hover. I'm so confused on what happened here. So I also need this. Why did I see only the hover before? Confused. So let's just put this thing here like this. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this, and then the hover. Not sure if I need this one with the hover. Don't think I need it, and it's taking some time to rebuild somehow. Like error, failed to find. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? I forgot to change that. Oh, god damn it. Uh, damn. Wait, what? Oh, wait a second. I need to rerun the script. Because there was an error. If there is an error, then the whole thing stops, maybe? I'm not sure. Save this thing. Let's do save some of these files. I don't know which one. And I need to pick more food. Be back. This hover thing doesn't make sense. This one. This is so annoying. Okay. Should be okay. There is some kind of ring here. I set the state to focus. There is a there is some ring thingy around the button. Box shadow none. Box shadow none. Yep. Correct. And the rest, it's back, save, add more, and then we have this. If I do this, let's copy a little bit of this, and then let's get rid of this. Color, nope. I actually want the outline only. I think let's take a look. This put does not work. Set it to focus. Changes the background color. API dashboard content back. Oh, wait a second. Should do this. Let's try this. API dashboard content. Focus. I try this like this. And then I wish by default there was one. Okay. Yeah, so this is a bit more. I don't need the offset, to be honest. I'm so confused, like why? So this is the button. If I set to focus, yeah, this actually works. Wait, right? The drop. Yeah, exactly. I don't need this. Wait. White. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this also. It's like it takes some seconds to refresh these files for some reason. Takes a you know what I'm gonna do? Over color background. No, the color the same, and the background is gonna be some gray, color lighter gray. Mm. Yep. Don't seem to be any contrast issues, but to be sure, color. There you go. To be sure, I'm gonna pick this color from the background. from here. Okay, yes, from here. This is the background color, and then the this other color is the text color. Could be green color. This one. I think it's okay. Oh wait, whoa! This is not good. So maybe I can just use this color. Still fail. Okay. Pick the 800. Yep, let's pick these ones. So let's pick this F8, F8, F8. This one, lighter one. I know, I don't like to copy paste these colors. Should figure out the way to reuse the same file. But for now, do this. And let's do this, okay? Now it's gonna be okay. Oh no, yeah, wait a second. Now this is too dim. Light gray and on light gray. Let's pick that the light gray. Basically, let's pick it up, put it here. So it should be dark enough, and this is still passes, so it's fine. This is very annoying. So this is better. This should be okay now. Yeah, perfect. What about the background color? Make it lighter gray? Yeah, the background color is okay. It's okay. Let's upload more files. Let's actually, okay, hold on. Is this a circle? So we have this circle thingy. This color is hard coded. I don't think fill red. What if I do this? Oh, it works. Okay. Happy C icon circle fill red. Okay, let's try this thing. Okay, it didn't add the dots here for some reason. What happened? Oh, because I copied that from here. Wait, I can just copy this. So hold on. Can I just do? No, I won't be able to do this because this fill style, I think it needs to be applied to the circle. Let's remove this thing. Let's go to this parent and then do. I'll just apply it here. Fill red. No, it doesn't work. I need to apply it to the circle children. Child circle. color, no, fill gigadb greens. Okay, I think this will work. Then let's oh, done. It's done. So API status bar action button. Hover focus, same. And the color also. This? No. Like this. Save. And then we click add more actually. Browse files. Add this on this one. Open. And then we have this. Which do I want to bother with all these things? So first of all, this is not area hidden. Area label is correct. This is very mild color. I actually want to give a consistent focus style. This is not consistent, so it needs to be either black. So for buttons, it's usually this red border. I'm using red, green, this green border. For the buttons, I'm using this green border. So I'm gonna pick this up. Actually, this one. Let's do force state focus. Let's grab all this stuff. Copy size MD. Then we have this box shadow. Let's put this thing here. Let's see what happens. Color. So we have gotta go with this. I'm not sure why do I have this offset. Wait, actually this is the wrong thing. Hold on. This is the one that I want. Here. In here, this is the one. Okay. And then I have these focus styles. This is also something I want here. What about the focus state? It's whatever. It's not focus hover. It's okay. Now let's take a look at this. This is the button, which is gonna have a force state hover. Not wait, sorry, not hover, but focus. Yeah, I need the box shadow none also. Box shadow. Did I forget about the box shadow none? Oh, it's here. Wait, I'm getting a bit confused here. So we have this thing here. We have this offset here. Waiting, upload. Let's add labels here because otherwise I'm getting really confused. Wrapper for API, drag and drop. Widget. This is um, upload button. This is for back save, add more, cancel, add more, and save. I edit and remove buttons. edit button, okay. This is API status bar, action button, and button. It's waiting, uploads. Cancel, no, cancel, let's add more, ends, save. Let's refresh this. Let's click here. Let's import these things. We have this cancel, add more. This is the okay. Still see this blue thingy. So I actually want to go here and do shadow box shadow none. And we have this upload file. Is this a save button? Nope. This is the action button upload. Upload button, yes. What is the save button? Oh, wait, oh, okay. Is this the save button? Action bar, action button, done. This is basically identical to this one, so this thing over here, okay, just API status bar action button done. This is done. It's not here anywhere. This is API status bar action button. It's this one, but it's exactly the same. I don't want to repeat this thing. So actually I'm gonna grab this thing and put it here, right, like exactly like this, but it's weird that this is appearing in the next line. Okay, and done. buttons. I'm gonna go here and remove this thing. Completed icon. So is this the new? It doesn't look like it's the new color. We have a circle. We have this thing. Dashboard. Circle. Sir, come on. Mistyped. Okay. Gonna set, and then we have this thing here, which we may as well use the same. Okay. Status indicator. May as well do. Oh no. Is it like color? Yes. Color GigaDB green. Success checkmark. And we click done. Wait, what? So this one and this one. Click here. Then we have this still the shadow thingy, and we're gonna go here and do this. Actually could do the shadow. We'll just change the color of the shadow here, right? Let's do hover or state. Oh, not wait, not it's not hover. By the way, it should. There's a slight color change, but very slight. Let's leave it. Let's just focus. So it has this box shadow. Maybe I should just update the box shadow color. Yeah, let's try that. Box shadow is gonna be this. See, it has some alpha channel stuff there. So let's save, and let's then also let's refresh. Let's see now. Input is this. Let's see what we have now. We have this very ugly thing. Is there a function in less RGBA? No. Well, there's RGBA. There are some functions here. Less. Less color functions. Color operation, I would say. Saturate, fade in, fade. I think it's fade. Fade in, fade. Fade. Yes, it's fade. You have to pick the color. Wrap it in parentheses. Fade. Then, what was that? And just go here. Wait. Well, yeah, I can actually go here, inspect, for state focus, and then I will see this box shadow popping up, and this is supposed to be 80%. X value 8 numbers, 8 letters. H, what is this thing? So the alpha channel A, oh yeah, that's a bit more complicated. What is uh, 50%? Yeah, man. Let's do this like this way. Yeah, man. Just show me thing. Any of these will work. Then we go back. Yeah, it's better. Yes, it's definitely better. It's better. I'm gonna keep this one because I like it. Is it consistent? I like it. I just like it because if we use the ring thing here, this icon is so small that if we use the ring like this one, it's gonna be too much. It's gonna be way too much. So I'm happy the way it is now. I'm gonna inspect this element just to make sure that there is enough contrast. Color. RGB give me the X color first. Perfect. Color contrast, foreground color, and the background color is see this whole, I guess this whole thing color background color is this one. Looks like it's this one. Yes, let's go to the definition. It's FA. But yeah, no, it's not contrasting enough. I need to make it darker. I do need to make it darker. Let's actually use the colors of this file. So this is gonna be obviously lighter gray. Background is lighter gray. Background color lighter gray. Save. And we have yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's go here and let's see this color status. Let's go here. Happy jet background. I don't know how to call this one. You have the upload button. Then this. Wait. Background UP status actually load. Why do I have the same thing twice? Happy this is repeat. This is exactly the same. This goes here. completed icon, says check mark, edit button. This is applying the same style, so I may as well join them. Edit and delete buttons, and yeah, so now I already forgot about what this one. It's pretty easy to override these things. Color. Accessible color combinations on lighter gray, color darker gray. That would be color darker gray. This one, let's put it here. Let's order this a little bit, so let's put the gray first, I would say. Color is not used. Then this should be also more contrasting. And what is this copy link thing? Let's refresh, and now this should be darker. Okay, load some file. This is now, yeah, this is darker now. This is darker now. This is good. Then I'm gonna edit this. Why this background has this color, I have no idea. I have no idea. Let's cancel. This is okay. This is okay also. This is not okay. This is not okay. I need to fix. I have two cancel buttons. And this background color on the cat, I don't know why. Why is this weird color here? This is really weird background color. I don't understand why. Because this really weird background color. Where does this come from? Let's go to API. And let's go to the examples and let's see. Let's upload files from the device, and let's upload this thing and this thing. Now I'm gonna. Huh? Why can't I edit this one? Edit this? Oh wow! Okay. Okay. Has a this stuff. Okay, this is very interesting. But I don't see these weird borders that we saw before. Do we have more examples? Many more examples.